There we go. Oh, terrific. That's great. Thanks very much. Thanks for doing that. There you go, Curtis. What speed are you doing there?
0.
0?
Yeah.
Okay. What speed are you going to do?
160 is the highest it can go.
160?
Yeah.
160?
Yeah.
Well, I think that's... Is that miles per hour, is it?
Yeah.
Very good.
It's really hard to spell your name. It's like a different...
Man, just speaking, if I can have everyone's attention, please. Unfortunately, due to a failed freight train south of Carlisle, this train will be held here at Glasgow. At the moment, there is no route further south than Carlisle.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Nadine, and I'm here to serve you in the shop for the journey as far as Wolverhampton today.
Man, just speaking once again, Thames departed Glasgow Central 27 minutes behind schedule. Apologise for this, this is a broken down freight train in the Penrith area. This is for London Euston via the West Midlands. For the Bourneville, just 10 minutes time to pick up passengers, then Carlisle, Oxenholme, Preston, Wigan and Warrington, Crewe, Stafford, Wolverhampton, Sandwell and Dudley. Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Rugby, Liverpool, Junction and London Euston scheduled to arrive around about 20 to 25.
No, I put that there for me.
Remember the security cameras? So have to behave.
I said hi to him. You're meant to bite one. You're meant to like eat, put it in your mouth and go hum nom 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 nom. I'll take that as they're good and I'll try one. Are they just like a really big grape?
Is this yours?
Yeah. I am Hulk. What? I am still Hulk.
You lied. Okay.
It tastes like cheese, except it's not cheese.
I know.
Like it has the consistency of cheese, except it's wet and moldy and got like peppers in that. And that's what's in the middle there. So it's really weird.
So you call mommy weird because mommy knows all.
No, the olives are weird.
Don't call mommy weird, okay?
I won't now.
Yeah, that's what I thought, you know? This camera.
I've got cocoa on my table. What am I
like a building.